My name is Marcellus Howard, and the question that I'm going to be asking today is, can solar power change our planet before it's too late? Now, since we know that the main sources of energy that we use are the main contributors to climate change, much needs to be done to be able to improve those sources of energy or use new ones. The problem that we face is that there are many forms of alternative energy, but each one, like many things, comes with a downside. Today we'll discover why solar is the most ideal source of alternative energy. Now, we face an energy crisis. In many countries that are undeveloped, many don't have access to energy. And also in many of those countries, energy is very expensive. Not only is energy very expensive, it is also very inefficient and harmful to our atmosphere. There are other ways that those forms of energy are dangerous and less efficient than solar energy as well. We are also facing a global warming crisis. As stated earlier, many of our sources of energy are contributing to that because of the chlorofluorocarbons being released into our atmosphere. Now, the solution is solar energy. Now, solar energy is safer than most options, so this should make it at the top of our priority list. Not only is it safer than most options, but it is also much more cheaper than nuclear energy. Now, nuclear energy is one of the most energy efficient energies, but solar is much more cheaper and easier to maintain because many solar plants cost around $1 to $2 billion to create, and then nearly $1 to $2 billion to be able to fund per year for all the workers that have to work on the plants. With solar power, all you have to do is build these solar panels as we see here, and then maintain them every once in a while, maybe every couple years, and it wouldn't take billions of dollars to be able to do that. Another reason why this is the best option is that it is a renewable source of energy, and it harnesses the most available power that we have on this earth, the power of the sun. Now, the sun shines everywhere in the earth, so everyone would be able to harness this solar energy. Now, in counter-argument to solar energy as the answer to alternative energy is that it is still too expensive. One of the things that hinders people from purchasing solar panels, for example, is that it is too expensive for them and their families to be able to obtain. Another argument is that it is not efficient as other sources of energy such as nuclear. And where would you store the energy? So, in my proposal, I propose that we either fund government programs to be able to, find ways of making this less expensive and more efficient. So in conclusion, we know that something must be done. We can do something to help wherever we can, whether it be through purchasing solar panels by ourselves, voting on things that make solar more available, or by devoting some of our time to possible solutions. Now, the scientific community has already thought of many of these problems, and they're trying to come up with many solutions to be able to solve them. One thing that they're doing is that they're improving the solar panels themselves to be able to harness more of the sun's energy through a paint called Vantablack. It's the darkest possible color that we can achieve. And because that color is so dark, it's able to absorb much of the sun's energy, much more than before. Another thing that they're doing is trying to build solar panels out of things that are cheaper so that it can be less expensive to other people. One other thing that they're doing is creating batteries so that we can be able to store energy better. So in places like Alaska where they don't have sunshine for about 6 months out of the year, they'd be able to harness energy for 6 months and store it in those batteries that are less expensive to them so that they will be able to have energy for the years, or not the years, but the months that it's dark. So whatever we do, whatever we choose to do, we need to do something before it's too late. We know that our world is changing at a very, very rapid and scary rate, and many things are being affected by it. So no matter what we do, we need to make sure that we do something. whether it be through, as said before, purchasing solar panels ourselves or finding a new way of doing it. But if we can find a new way to do this, we would be very, very benefited by this, and so would our world.